NGSS is Science for All. The NGSS are designed to prepare students for college, career, and citizenship. We really want you to have an understanding of science and engineering and realize that it's critical to participate in public policy and good decision making. The founding principles of the NGSS are these. Number 1, children are born investigators. Number 2, understanding develops over time. Number 3, science and engineering require both knowledge and practice. Number 4, it should connect to students' interests and experiences, and that will in turn promote equality for women and for minorities. So we talked about this in the first student collection, but what I really want to highlight in this dimension here is engineering. So if you take a look here, you'll see that in the past, your old standards probably just exclusively focused on science. And this time around, we're going to see that there's a lot of engineering embedded within it. So much so that it's a part of the new next generation science standards. So number 1, asking questions is a part of science, but defining problems is a part of engineering. And then also for number 6, constructing explanations is a part of science, but designing solutions is a part of engineering. So not only is it covered here in your SCPs, it's explicitly covered in your disciplinary core ideas as well. So you'll see that you have a separate set of standards that is completely devoted to engineering, technology, and application of science. So for example, these are what they are. A, defining and delimiting engineering problems, which involves stating the problem to be solved as clearly as possible in terms of criteria for success, what are the constraints or the limits. B, designing solutions to engineering problems. So once you define what the problem is, you begin to design solutions. You begin with generating a number of different possible solutions, then evaluating potential solutions to see which one best meets the criteria and constraints of the problem. And then finally, C, optimizing the design solution involves a process in which solutions are systematically tested and refined, and the final design is improved by trading off less important features for those that are far more important. So when we look at what you will encounter in the 9th through the 12th grade engineering band, you'll really see these. So it's all going to always be, it's not going to be linear, but a process. So again, you would define a range of problems, you will develop solutions, and then you will optimize. So you can see here that it actually is something that's very high level and expected at the 9th through 12th grade band. So remember that engineering is a huge component of the NGSS. And the process for engineering is you build it, you test it, you revise it, you rebuild it, and you retest. And this can go on through several iterations.